Okay, we have a 3-axis Bridgeport CNC milling machine. Easy Trak with a DX32 control, serial number BR269740E. It was new in 1997. Again, this machine has a 3-axis control. It was upgraded with a single board motherboard computer. It has an LCD screen where it used to have a CRT, and we're going to run her for you. So there you go. You can see the 3-axis on the screen. Jogging the X-axis. You can see the original chrome ways and flaking marks in the saddle. Moving the hand wheel. Also jogging it. You can disconnect the Z and run it in 2-axis mode as well, but right now we're in the 3-axis mode. Machine has a power drawbar. It's an R8 spindle. That's the low range.
That's the middle.
Middle low range.
It's just drawbar noise you hear.
Drawbars rattling around in there. I'm going to run it in the high range. We're up at about 2,000 RPM. 3,000 RPM. Okay. Again, this is X, Y, and Z. You have your table knee crank. Your serial number is right over here. I have to roll back is the serial number there? I can't say. Right there.
69740E.
Oh, you also have a 4-inch riser block, which can either be taken out or we can keep it in the machine. Thank you for watching our video.